When you work with a shop floor solution, normally you would like to be able to attach master data by yourself or getting master data information from sales orders, item cards, everywhere where you need to have information that the people in the production need to be aware of, need to see. So for instance, here in my production order overview, if this is the picture I'm using in the production area and I'm working somewhere out there and I have a production order down here, number 162, I have a functionality to view production order information with all kinds of information relating to this production order. For instance, that I need to paint the rim red with yellow and green dots and stripes with a B. And I could also add information myself. If I need to remember something, I could just enter it here, saying remember something. So this is my placeholder for adding information. So also directly from the production side, I could add those type of information. But this could come from the item card. Maybe it's files that coming from the item card with pictures or instruction manuals or whatever. It could also come from the sales order, because this is a specific information from a sales order to that specific production order. Let's try to look at this yellow and green dots on the production order line. For example, if we find the sales order in here and the customer is calling us, changing the color if we haven't started, so the salesperson will take up the new order. I'll enter my sales order in here, find the sales order line and enter the master data information. And if we agree that it's possible, we would like on the confirmation to change the new color to blue instead of red, and still yellow and green, etc. So now we changed it on the sales order, and I could print it for the customer on the sales order, but I still need to update my production order because it's not updated in here, and I couldn't do it from the window here because it's a production order thing. But from the window, I could navigate into my production order, the firm plan production order. In here, I have a function to update master data from the sales order, meaning that I would expect, if I'm looking at the production order master data, that it's now updated to blue. And I would expect that the people working working with the shop floor in here, next time they would look into it, it should still be updated to blue down here with parts of all the other information. So this information is structured on the production order, on the header, the lines, and the components, but it's available for me directly in the production to see.